Hello everyone, how to do? Back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can hide your online status in Hilokal language exchange app. So you can see it's the homepage of Hilokal, but I want to uh, hidden. I want to be hidden. So how can I do this thing? For example, here you can see the three line left right corner on your screen, this one. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see my status is online. Okay, it means other people will be able to see me, my status, that I'm online. But uh, I want to make it disable. So here, how can I make it disable? You can see the three dot, this option. So simply click on that. So once you click on that, then here will some option like status online up to 1 just listening, hidden and cancel. If you click on the hidden, then you can see your online activity will be hidden and other people will not able to see you, your friend will not able to see you. Okay, so it's really easy. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today is Noman, thank you for watching.